Hi, it is Mr. Praise here. Are you having trouble when installing a third-party software into your Windows laptop? If yes, no more worry, because I'm going to teach you why you should no more be scared of Windows security when installing a third-party software, either a game, a cracking software, or other useful software into your Windows laptop. So let's begin. First of all, press Windows key and I into your keyboard to open the setting. And come here down to update and security. So once there, you have to look for the third place one. It is written Windows security. Once in, you will see Windows security and threat protection and all over the others. So log here, you will see threat, virus threat and protection, current threat. Here you have to look just under the quick scan and you will see the protection history. The thing is that once you have downloaded the software that it is not from the Windows Store, quickly the Windows security will go against that software. So they will first lock the setup of this software or put it in quarantine in the protection history. So, and you will see that the software has been deleted and the message has been sent to you, like this kind of message right in the right hand side here, like here, threat phone, and an action is needed for that. An action is needed for that. So you have to go to the Windows security to find that. The thing is that the the, the software can't be deleted as quick as it comes, but Windows security will just temporarily put it in quarantine. But if you are not aware and you don't look for it, going to a week, you yourself, you will mistakenly deleting that software because you will do a disk cleaning and all of the Windows security or caches, all of them will go into the cleaning stuff. So you have to come here, and once here, the software that has been put in quarantine by the Windows security, you will find it here. Here it is written clear filter, recommendation, quarantine item. So you have to log here. Here is the item that has been put in quarantine. That means this item has been temporarily deleted by the Windows security. So, but you may see it as it is missing into the folder. So you have to come here, and once you click restore this item, like the action that I'm doing here, quickly the item deleted will be resent into the actual folder of the item. So you have to go there like this. I have a folder into my screen here that a lot of items are locked inside, and here I've moved this item into my hard drive, so I can't show you a clear picture of that. But the example is that once the item has been deleted temporarily, the Windows security will put it in quarantine, and you have to come here and do an action to either restore your item, or maybe you accidentally downloaded it and the Windows security are taking over by putting them into quarantine. So you may go on and remove them. or you may want that software that you downloaded and the Windows security has taken over. So you have to come here and restore the software, and you go and see it in your folder where the software has been put. So this is the quick things that I wanted to show you in this Windows security tutorial. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you into my next video. So like, hit the bell icon, subscribe, and leave a comment if you find it useful or if not. So thank you.